Well, good evening. I'm Sharice Gibson.
And I'm Katie Moore. Photographs of Mayor Cantrell on a restaurant balcony with her then police bodyguard, Jeffrey Vappy, had a big impact on them. NOPD launched an investigation, and Vappy was removed from the security team. The pictures led to a court battle between the mayor and the woman who took them.
A Puntalba resident and Bro won that court fight when a judge dismissed the mayor's request for a protective order. Well, now Bro is speaking out, and investigative reporter Mike-Perlstein found a woman who says she has been victimized by the mayor, not the other way around.
I've never followed her, never stalked her. I've never taken her picture at any venue, on the ground, or even on her balcony.
Those were among the claims made by Mayor Cantrell against Ann Bro in a now-discarded petition for a protective order. A civil court judge swiftly dismissed those claims of harassment, but not before the mayor exposed personal information about Bro, including her Social Security number, an old driver's license photo, and a 2016 arrest in a domestic violence case that was thrown out.
I was an assault victim, so it's re-victimizing me on abuse that I suffered, that I had expunged off my record, and then it became a story that I had to explain to the people that I know.
Bro admitted she took the photos of the mayor and her then police bodyguard Jeffrey Vappy on April 7th on the balcony of the Tableau restaurant. Pictures taken while she was on the balcony of her own apartment across the street. She said she provided the pictures to the Metropolitan Crime Commission over concerns about Vappy, not the mayor.
I couldn't have cared less what the mayor was doing. It was the fact that that officer of the law was sitting there drinking.
Documents obtained exclusively by WWL Louisiana show that it wasn't until a month later that Cantrell filed this police report claiming she felt, quote, unsafe and frightened by Bro's menacing behavior. That same police report and the request for the protective order filed the next day show that the mayor was provided Bro's old arrest information by an NOPD officer.
I can't imagine why she was given access to that and then why she would use it against me. If being the mayor of the city and knowing what she knows, she maybe should have checked into what the arrest was before she made it public and made it look like I was a perpetrator when I was actually a victim.
The NOPD has not responded to my questions about how and why that confidential information was given to the mayor and included in a police report. Bro was on vacation when she heard about the application for the protective order. She hired an attorney when she later saw false claims about her being the source of video of the mayor and feeding information to the media. While media accounts containing that video ultimately led the city council to kick Cantrell out of the Pontalba apartment, Bro said she never shot any video or dealt directly with the media until Cantrell took her to court.
I have never spoken to anyone and given any interviews or forwarded any pictures or video to anyone other than the Metro Crime Commissioner.
Despite her court victory, Bro said she is still rattled by the mayor's actions.
Am I going to have to leave the French Quarter and make something else my home? I don't want to live anywhere else. I chose for this to be where I want to spend the rest of my life, specifically in the French Quarter, not just New Orleans. So I had all the emotions of what am I going to do with my life that the mayor is now after me. You know, she's using the court system to go after me personally.
Mayor Cantrell's office issued a statement saying the mayor felt threatened by Ms. Bro's actions.
It went on to say, quote, this led her to question whether her behavior would escalate and also whether it was part of a past pattern by this individual. The court made its ruling. The matter is now over, and the office of mayor will have no further comment regarding this issue.
Mike joining us now in the studio with this story. Obviously, this is a talker. Is it over?
Well, let me tell you, as eager as the mayor is to put this behind her, it is not over in court. She was held liable for the Bro's attorney's fees. That is yet to be calculated, presented to court. If the mayor is delayed in paying that, she could be brought back to court to answer all kinds of financial questions. Obviously, on another front, as we know, Jeffrey Vappy has retired from the police department while under investigation, an investigation that could continue into the criminal realm with the mayor being involved. So a lot still to watch in this case.
Yeah, I think people are going to also want to know, is the mayor going to have to pay that? The city taxpayers aren't going to have to pay that, right?
Well, the city taxpayers should not have to pay that because of the nature of her petition for a protective order. It was done personally. She did it pro se with the help of somebody not on the clock for the city. So we'll see. I imagine that would probably present another controversy if in fact the mayor tries to bill the taxpayers for that motion she did as a private citizen.
Right.
Okay.
All right, Mike, thank you so much.